Welcome to the Pivot Point, where we break down key topics around career growth, personal development, and financial empowerment. So today's topic is negotiating your salary and understanding your benefits, securing fair compensation. I'm your host Bharti Bhaskaran, and today we are diving into a topic that can be a game changer for your career. As I mentioned, negotiating your salary. So whether you are a fresh graduate out of college or someone looking for a career switch, negotiating your salary can be intimidating, especially in environments where talking about money feels uncomfortable. But I'm here to tell you, it doesn't have to be that way. Let's break it down step by step so you can walk into that negotiation with confidence. Why negotiating your salary matters. Why is negotiating your salary so important? Well, think about this. Your salary is not just a paycheck. It's a reflection of the value you bring to the table. You are being compensated for your skills, experience, and the impact you will create for the company. Many people, especially in countries like India, avoid these conversations for fear of being labeled money-minded or greedy. Trust me, that's a misconception. Fair compensation is your right. When you negotiate your salary, you are setting a foundation for your future earnings, your professional growth, and even your personal financial security. Your starting salary also impacts your raises, bonus, and even retirement contributions over time. So by negotiating for what you are worth, you are making an investment in yourself. So now let's talk preparation. The first step is knowing your worth. Here are a few things you should do before walking into that negotiation room. Research the market rate. What is the industry standard for your role? Salary websites like Glassdoor, LinkedIn Salary. There are many other pay scales. Something is there. These can give you insights, an idea of what companies are paying for similar positions, especially in your region. Remember, salaries can vary based on location, industry, and company size. Understand the company's situation. Know the financial standing of the company you are negotiating with. Are they a startup or a well-established firm? Are they growing rapidly or cutting costs? This will help you gauge how much flexibility they might have when it comes to salary. Evaluate your experience. Think about your past experience, unique skills, and achievements. What are you bringing to the table that justifies a higher salary? The more specific you can be about your value, the stronger your negotiation will be. Know your walkaway point. Sometimes you may have to accept that an offer doesn't meet your expectations. Decide beforehand what the minimum acceptable offer is for you. This includes both salary and benefits. Well, now let's go to the heart of it. How do you actually negotiate your salary without feeling awkward or anxious? Be direct but diplomatic. You want to convey confidence but also be respectful. For example, you could say, based on my research and the skills I bring, I believe a salary in the range of X would be more appropriate for this role. Can we explore the possibility of adjusting the offer? This keeps the tone professional and leaves room for conversation. Highlight the value you bring. Remind them why you are the best fit for the role. If you have had specific achievements in past roles, bring those up to show how you can contribute to the company's success. Be ready for counteroffers. They might not agree to your number, but don't panic. Instead, ask about other forms of compensation like bonuses, additional vacation time, or flexible work arrangements. Remember, benefits can be as valuable as salary in the long run. Perks. You can ask what are the perks the companies offer. Some companies offer LTA, medical bills, Mediclaim. All this will be helpful in the long run. Stay calm and professional. It's easy to get emotional about money, especially if you feel undervalued, but staying calm and being professional will leave a stronger impression and you will have better chance of getting the offer you want. Understanding the benefits package. Now let's talk about it. Many people focus solely on salary, but your benefits package can make a huge difference in your overall compensation. Here are some key components to pay attention to. Health insurance. Check the coverage for medical, dental, and vision plans. Does the company cover the full premium or do you need to contribute? Are there family coverage options? Retirement plans. Does the company offer a retirement savings plan like a provident fund or a national pension scheme? If so, do they match your contributions and by how much? Bonuses and incentives. Are there performance-based bonuses? Are there stock options or equity in the company? These can have a long-term financial benefits if the company performs well. Work-life balance benefits. Consider benefits like paid time off, flexible work hours, remote work options, and wellness programs. These benefits can have a significant impact on your quality of life. Professional development. Some companies offer stipends or courses, certifications, or further education. This is a great way to grow your career while getting the company to invest in your future. Make sure you understand every component of the benefits package and don't hesitate to ask for clarity if something isn't clear. Remember, benefits are part of your total compensation, so take them into account when negotiating. The takeaway. At the end of the day, negotiating your salary and understanding your benefits package is about advocating for yourself. You deserve to be compensated fairly for the work you do, and the only way to achieve that is by stepping up and asking for it. If a company refuses to engage in fair negotiations, that might be a red flag about their long-term commitment to your growth. So whether you're negotiating a starting salary or asking for a raise, preparation, clarity, and confidence are key. Remember, you are your biggest advocate. Your financial well-being and professional satisfaction depend on it. Thank you for tuning in to the Pivot Point. I hope today's episode has empowered you with the tools and confidence you need to approach your next salary negotiation with ease. If you have any questions or stories to share about your own experiences, feel free to reach out to me on social media or through our website. Until next time, remember, you deserve fair compensation for the value you bring. Go out there and get it. Thank you. Bye-bye.